This is our Megapack. The Megapack is a multi-reel rack pack that allows each spool to spin independently or together as a unit. The front of our Megapack contains product details and unique information specific to each cable for easy identification. Here, you can see the structure that makes the Megapack possible within a RackPack carton. Megapacks are custom ordered and built at our Windy City Wire distribution centers. Most Megapacks are built and shipped the same day they are ordered. Megapacks are ideal for applications where multiple cables are being pulled simultaneously. This demonstration shows 514-gauge THHN cables being pulled from a single Megapack secured to a rack stack. The labor savings provided by the Megapack is undeniable. One technician, 5 cables, a single Megapack, in 80 feet of conduit with 490-degree bends. Try to do that with this. Since Megapacks are RackPacks, you can secure them to any of our transporting devices. RackPacks and Megapacks give you unmatched versatility in the field. In addition to building wire, low-voltage wire and cable also work extremely well in the Megapack configuration. Here are 4 Category 5 cables being pulled effortlessly from a Megapack with complete customization for any cable combination you need. The possibilities with Megapacks are endless. Contact a Windy City Wire sales rep today to see how we can help streamline your next installation.